Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable price alerts on Toobit. If you want to enable the price alert on Toobit, then first of all, launch open Toobit application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into the home page of Toobit, go ahead and select the Markets tab from the bottom of the screen and go to Spot at the top. Now select any currency pair you want to view the chart page of, and once you're inside this page, go to the bottom and click on Alert. Here, you need to go ahead and create a new alert. Go ahead and select the trigger price at the top of the screen, and once you set a price, click on Create Alert at the bottom. But before that, go to the Alert Frequency drop-down and choose your alert frequency. Select whether you like to be alerted only once a day, or a continuous alert. And once you do that, click on Create Alert. If you have disabled your in-app notifications, then you'll need to enable it as well so that you can receive the alert. Simply go ahead and allow notification for Toobit, and then you will be able to create a price alert easily. Now, whenever your currency pair hits the price that you've just set, you'll be alerted right away. So that way you don't have to look at your charts 24/7, and whenever the selected price reaches, you'll be alerted via the app. So that is how you enable price alert on Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.